Jumushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you a quick documentary of our Christmas celebration at Moreno Valley.
Hi, asan tayo?
Sa Americana. And Americana. Parang High Street.
At saka The Grove na mas malaki, no?
When umagang pa kasi.
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Ay, may tram pa sila, oh. Tram.
We are not yet at Moreno Valley, but this is on the way there. So these are just some of the clips that we had at the mall.
So we're here at Glendale Galleria and we're having food here at the food court. And so we ordered Burning Mouth Nashville hot chicken. And so it's a combo with fries and the chicken sandwich with drink. $14.90 without tax. So I ordered the good level of spiciness. So let's try it. Sarap. Sarap yung sauce.
Tapos mga fries na siya.
Marami rin yung fries. So yun. Good deal naman. See you. Bye-bye. So let's try the kebab na walang sauce. Wala daw silang garlic dito. So baka sa Pilipinas lang ba yun? Pero hindi. Try natin kung masarap pag walang sauce. Malinam na. Sarap naman. So may option na may cilantro sauce. So try natin. Okay din. Fresh. Ano yan? Ito. Try natin yung salad nila. Okay din naman. Ayun, wala lang sauce. Doon ako medyo nalungkot. Pero for the price, marami siya. Ayun lang, bye-bye. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Tapos, enjoy kayo!
Kayo din, ah?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Action.
Okay. Ito tayo natin.
Hi, good morning.
And dito tayo sa Moreno Valley. Dito sa middle school ng Moreno Valley.
Smile.
Okay, nandito tayo sa St. Christopher's Church sa Moreno Valley. So, 12 o'clock pa yung mass. So, titingnan natin kung abot tayo. Ayun lang. See you. Bye.
I do think at the back like that, if you have
Kasama tayo.
look at here!
Kainan na tayo ng Noche Buena.
Okay, fine, come here.
Ang sweet na. Ayan, parang nasa Pilipinas lang tayo. Maraming Pilipino at Filipino food. Yan. May hamon, may spring roll, may kare-kare. So, lahat ng favorite. Lumpiang Shanghai.
Sariwa na
Masarap. It's good.
Right, kampay. Cheers!
Hindi ba pala in-order ni Tita Nung?
Where's that from? From Michael and Cheryl. Why you open it now? I assume kamay mo. Molly, where's your bag? In the back and body.
Oh, thank you.
Tama natin.
Okay, wow.
Merry Christmas!
And that's the end of our quick video compilation and documentation of our Christmas adventure at Moreno Valley. Up next will be our adventure at San Diego, so please do watch out for it. So, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe!